Standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey Wallace, what are you doing? Nothing, I'm just waiting for the request.
Hey, have you guys noticed that studying in class has been getting harder lately? Especially during the afternoon. It feels like a sauna.
Yeah, why do many classrooms not have AC? And why are some broken? Make it uncomfortable to learn?
I have talked to other faculties and they are experiencing the same things like the campus should pay more attention about it because comfort is more important to us and because we have to focus on learning and that is so is it?
I agree that part in the classroom makes sleepy when that happens. It's hard to pay attention to what the teacher is saying.
The AC is broken. The campus should fix it immediately or at least some of fans in every classroom. And this issue has been around for a long time, but there hasn't had any changes.
Maybe we can write proposal for better campus facilities. If we work together, we might act faster.
Great idea. Let's get some people who agree and write letter to the campus. We need our voice to be behind.
We should also make a list of which rooms need repairs the most.
I hope the campus realize that these facilities can improve our learning qualities.
Yeah, I hope so.
Me too.